Hey guys, let me tell you, we're going to start the show with something really nice. It's not really funny or anything, just something beautiful, poignant, heart-touching. And I thought, put yourself in the right frame of mind with this pandemic still around and all that. Let's cheer people up. So here's a beautiful, humane moment. Take a look at this photo. But let me explain. Let me talk for a minute. He's employing 4 people in a pandemic who don't have work. 4 people have work today because of him. It's not as bad as it looks. It's not the rich in India dominating over the poor. It's not that disparity, evil picture that you're looking at. No. He's helping people. It's not the weekend, was it? So we'll start with this. MS Dhoni as mentor for Team India. I mean, you've already got Ravi Shastri, Vikram Rathore, Bharat Arun, so why? Yes, Dhoni's got to find his dream 11. Advertising is always correct. Ravi Shastri says he'll resign post the World Cup. So after arguably Team India's best coach ever, what jobs are out there for Ravi Shastri in the market today? Let's see, what could be there? Punjab CM, Gujarat CM, Karnataka CM, everything except Bengal CM. Well, my good friend, ace singer, actor Babul Supriyo has joined the TMC from the BJP. And for critics out there, I say learn from India's highest form of culture, the IPL. If Ravi Ashwin can go from Punjab to Delhi or Harbhajan from Mumbai to Chennai, then nothing wrong with Babul going from BJP to TMC. IPL-ish culture. It's IPL-ish culture, no biggie. Of course, the case with Navjot Sidhu is different. His critics say he should never have left his first party. That was the perfect fit for him, that first party. Not the BJP. The Laughter Challenge Party, List of Indians who can't get along with one another, folks. Here's the list. Amarinder and Navjot, Udhav and Devendra, Yogi Adityanath and non-vegetarians. Not a fan. He's not a fan. By the way, the UK has asked for a 10-day quarantine again for Indian visitors. This is great news for Indian husbands who just want to do absolutely nothing on holiday. I mean, you enter England, you do 10 days quarantine in a hotel, and you leave for India immediately. Speaking of enemies, in India, enemies can actually find common ground. Take Yogi Adityanath and Owaisi. Both are anti-alcohol. That's a start. They can build. From there, they can become friends. See, that's a start, common ground. Ganpati in Maharashtra conducted on a low volume. Well, it ended, and not too bad. The results aren't too bad. You know what this means? The ball is in Uttarakhand's court. Kumbh Mela. Lots more coming up, but first, the headlines. Prime Minister Modi meets Biden. UK rejects Indian vaccines. And Doordarshan turned 62. Actually, before we go into our top story, I want to apologize for this episode. I should apologize for all episodes, but especially this one, because I'm feeling very sleepy. And I'll tell you why. You'll understand. I read the script just before starting the shoot, and immediately I started falling asleep. Immediately, I just lost interest. So, bear with me. But the second thing that happened that upset me a little bit, the Prime Minister was in the United States of America. I called up the PMO because I wanted them to carry one small book, a gift from me to my sister, who I haven't seen in 4 years. But a pandemic chalu hai aajkal, so it's not easy for people to travel or send things. So I requested one small book. But they refused to take Shashi Tharoor's latest works and give it to my sister for some reason. It's a political issue, hai shayad. Anyway, our top story. Prime Minister Modi was in the United States of America this week, and they held talks with the leaders of Australia, Japan, and the US, and ignored all the other countries. Joining us now from Washington, D.C. is alleged member of the PM's Welcome Committee, and I cannot guarantee you that this is a sincere human being. His name is Rupert Redmond. Rupert Redmond?
Came cho, Cyrus bhai. What's up? Badu fine? All well?
Yes, Badu fine, chair. Rupert Redmond, but you don't look, not to be racist in any way, but you don't look like a Rupert Redmond.
Arey, what to do, Cyrus bhai? Like they say, when in Rome, do like the Americans do.
No, I think that would be in America.
Yes, same to same. That is why I made up my name to Rupert Redmond.
No, come on, this is tough for me to do an interview with this kind of, let's tell the truth. What is your real name? Rupert can't be your real name. What's your real name?
It's actually Rupesh.
Rupesh?
Yes, Rupesh.
Stretch, sir. Rupesh, Rupert, and Redmond?
Arey bhai, Redman is originally Lal bhai. Understand?
Yeah, but that translates into Red Brother. So I'm not happy with that either. But anyway,
Rupert Redmond now in Minneapolis. Originally Rupesh Lalbhai from Mehsana.
why would you change such a beautiful name? What's wrong with the original? Okay, about the Prime Minister's visit.
Prime Minister visit is very important visit. Very important.
Sorry, did you say important?
Important. Important means meeting happens, but nothing happens in meeting. Important is meeting happens and something also happens.
I get it, although you could just say not important. That's also the same thing. So tell us more.
So Prime Minister met President of United States and had meeting with him.
That everybody knows, sir. What else?
We were all there, but first it was very confusing.
Okay, why was it confusing?
See, when I am in America, my wife drives me mad. She talks and is a big show-off.
A show off. What do you mean exactly when you say show off?
She is always showing off things to me. That day she showed me Statue of Liberty. Then she showed off to me Washington Monument. Whatever she sees, she shows off to me, you see.
You mean she shows you things?
Yes, and then she talks.
But why are we discussing your wife in any case?
She says, a Statue of Liberty, Joe. A Washington Monument, Joe. A White House, Joe. A Capitol, Joe. When we met President, she said, I Biden, Joe.
Then what happened?
President looked at her and said, it's not Biden, Joe. It's Joe Biden.
This is why I fell asleep, ladies and gentlemen, and so will you. Go on, please.
After that, we decided to try Yo Sushi.
You tried some sushi, Japanese food.
Now, Baba, we tried to meet Japanese Prime Minister Yo Sushi.
Yoshihide Suga. It's a tough name, I get it.
Same thing, Baba. Someone told me he was very angry at lunch.
Why was he angry at lunch?
I heard because Japanese Prime Minister had a very bad tempura.
It's tempura. Tempura is a Japanese style of cooking.
Is that so? I thought he was angry because he missed his soup.
What are you saying? He missed his soup?
I heard him with this same ear. Tell the waiter. He said, I miso soup. Miso soup.
Oh God, okay, let me explain. That's miso soup. It's a Japanese kind of soup made by the Japanese people. It's not miss my soup, miso soup.
What difference, bhai? I don't speak the Japan language, no?
What language do you speak? I'm not able to understand anything you've been saying. Aijo. Okay, what else happened at the Prime Minister's trip?
Then there was meeting with Tim Cook.
The Apple chief Tim Cook.
Amazing. How chief of Apple is called a cook?
Why is that amazing? It makes sense. Apple food, Cook, it makes sense. Who writes this? Who is this moron? Anything else?
Then Taliban was on agenda.
The takeover of Afghanistan.
No. How Taliban is dealing with the COVID.
Oh, good point. And how is the Taliban dealing with COVID? Do we know?
Apparently very strictly, Baba. Like they are very strict about mask.
Really?
I heard they shoot any woman who does not cover her face.
Blanket anyone? Pillow? But this is now the PM's 6th or 7th visit to the US as Prime Minister. What is the difference? What has changed?
A very big change. This trip is very different than any other trip PM has ever made to US. Very different.
How is it any different?
It is different because on this trip, Prime Minister will not be able to hug anyone at all. Not even the President of US. See? All like this only. Joe.
Stop with the Joe jokes and Joni, Joe and Johnny, Joe. Don't do all that and listen to what I have to say. They are heads of state of two powerful democracies, the most powerful in the world, and we're in a pandemic. They cannot hug. They cannot be seen to hug. It's the right thing to do. There was no question of hugging. You think RPM hasn't thought this through? How dare you? Anyway, sorry about that, folks. And if you think that was the worst part of the show, there is much worse to come. Let's go on. The vaccine discrimination practiced by the UK as of last week has upset the powers that be as well as members of the public. So let's meet Dr. Ulhas Kumar Vishwakarma, head of the government's committee to review UK visas for India from there. Yeah, it's time to hit back. Good day to you, Dr. Ulhas Kumar Vishwakarma.
No need to call me by my full name, Dr. Ulhas Kumar Vishwakarma. You can call me by my short name.
I'm dying to know what that is, sir.
Short for Dr. Ullas Kumar Vishwakarma, Dr. UK Visa.
And folks, he didn't make that up. I checked his Aadhaar card. That is the name. That is the name since 1968. All right, good day then, good day.
Not good day, good 10 days. 10 days.
Yes, good 10 days. I get what you're trying to say. What the hell is the meaning of all this? What's going on?
Matlab, it's just clearly whatever.
Yeah, prejudicial. One of those words. Yeah, that's fine. And racist.
Not racist, classist. Do you realize all the countries that are banned have lower GDPs than those that are not banned?
Yes, so?
So it's basically anti the poor. It's the British version of Garibi Hatao. If you're poor, don't come.
Or Haji Ali traffic signal in Mumbai. If you're poor, don't come. मैं तो फंस गया red light में, but don't come. I can't help you. I feel, but I can't do anything. Sounds awful. I'm telling you, sir, sounds awful. And what are we going to do about this? How will we hit back?
In the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat, we are acting swiftly. We have come up with a few proposals as a reciprocal reply to all UK visitors to India.
Please elaborate.
First and foremost, all UK visitors must download the Arogya Setu app. If they don't have that app, they have to return to the plane.
I see. Good. But why?
Just to harass them? Have you tried using Arogya Setu app?
Yes. It's torture. Marriages break up. Yes.
Exactly.
Next, what will we do? Next, what?
Next, they have to have a Covaxin vaccine. Without Covaxin vaccine, they cannot enter India.
So, tit for tat.
Exactly. Though special provision is being made for people who have taken AstraZeneca.
Go on.
With the AstraZeneca, you will be allowed to enter India, but straight into 21 days quarantine.
Good. So they make us do 10 days in spite of having the same AstraZeneca. We will give them 21 days for having the same AstraZeneca. Very good.
Exactly. Then all visitors to India must have a temporary Aadhaar card, which is linked to their passport.
Oh.
To apply for this, they have to first do a biometric test in person in India.
No, but if they are not allowed in India, unless they have Covaxin jabs, then this is virtually impossible.
Exactly.
So they can only actually visit India after having actually visited India first to get the Aadhaar card, which they can't do.
Because they have to visit India in the first place to do that.
Yes, which they can't do because they can't enter without Covaxin jabs.
Which are not available in the UK in the first place. You're beginning to get my point. Brilliant, na?
Brilliant. I would spell it, but I can't remember it. Brilliant. What else?
Then, of course, we have prepared a questionnaire.
Questionnaire, like a test.
Yes, test. A questionnaire on India that has to be filled in before disembarking.
Wow, I think that makes sense. Go on, tell us.
If they fail the questionnaire, no entry to India. No.
No entry to India. And what kind of questions?
Easy one, like name the dry state in India.
Dry states in India, Gujarat, Bihar. Some will say Rajasthan because there's no water. But yeah.
Easy one, I told you. Also, medium questions, ones like which famous Indian filmmaker recently got bail?
Oh, that's tough. Karan Johar.
Not Karan Johar. Close, but not Karan Johar. Raj Kundra.
He takes the family films to another level. Yeah, correct. That guy. And tough questions?
Yes, tough questions like what are Navjot Singh Sidhu's intentions? What does Yogi Adityanath mean by secularism? And which is more of a monarchy, England, BJP or the Congress party?
Super tough. This is so bloody tough. You'll have to give me a whole week for the next episode to come up with these answers. This is great, sir. What a rebuttal. I applaud you.
Yes, it is great, but there is one problem.
There's a problem? What is the problem?
All those trying to go from India to UK are Indians.
So?
And all those trying to visit India from UK are also?
Indians.
Yes! You see my point. यहाँ थोड़ा सा
One more thing, sir. Even I want to go to UK.
you can go. You are a Parsi, na?
Yes.
You can go. But I have a small request, very personal request, small, little.
Please tell me.
Please don't come back. Please.
I'm not planning
please.
Folks, that's just a joke. Come on. Yeah, we are Deshbhaks. I mean, just the other day when that beggar came to the car and asked me for something, I was eating a sandwich. I finished it very quickly. I didn't want him to look at me eating. I went like immediately. I pretended I hadn't had anything also. And I also put the window down and put some crumbs out like that. Not for him to eat, but to make sure the car is clean, to teach him a lesson about cleanliness. There you go. We do things for our country. We all do things. We'll take a break for the country and then we'll come back. Welcome back to the week that wasn't. Sorry, but we are getting lots of emails and calls and texts and messages from people saying this is the most vulgar thing they've ever seen. That picture of our esteemed director, artist, producer going for a trek in Ajanta Ellora. A trek, I tell you. A walk. Ghumne ke liye gaya wo. Ghumne ke liye. That's what we mean when we say walk. Okay, let's get back to it. So, are the new UK vaccine rules racist? Apparently, the rules aren't racist. The vaccine is racist. You see, AstraZeneca works on Indians in India, but not Indians entering the UK. AstraZeneca somehow loses its potency at some point while passing immigration at Heathrow. Till then, it's fine. So, it's a geographical issue. Please understand. Now, AstraZeneca is used in both India and the UK. So, that's like saying Kit Kat in India doesn't taste as good as Kit Kat in the UK. They're both Kit Kat, right? Oh, actually, that's true. Sach batao to, I do like the Kit Kat in the... If I have to be humbly and honest about the whole thing. I mean, I should have thought it through before mentioning it. I apologize. And if you have a Kit Kat and you want to send it from Britain... Yet, if we want to, we can punish UK. And I mean, we can really punish. Bring them down to their knees. Bring their economy to a standstill. We'll stop shooting Bollywood movies in London. Hey, koi jawab, London? What will you do then? What will you? No Test cricket and no Bollywood movies? What will they do? It's over. It's over. You need us. Oh, MTV is coming out with a new show, I'm told, with some fresh new hunk. This is a great new face that they've discovered. He's beautiful. He's gorgeous. Who is this guy? Let's take a look. Welcome to the MTV Centerfood Comedy Base Camp.
यार मैं सैलरी तो बता दूं पर मेरी सेल्फ एस्टीम अलाउ नहीं करती.
तूने कर दिया mood ding dong. See, I'll be frank, between you and me, it's my show. If I don't self-promote, who will? और MTV वाले ने बोला कि बजट नहीं है, पब्लिसिटी के लिए बजट नहीं है, कुछ तो खुद करो कुछ. So I did it. I had to do it. The members of parliament do it. What's wrong if I do it? It's all the same thing. Anyway, let's talk about Doordarshan. Doordarshan, who's called Dur in the name, for some reason. Doordarshan turned 62, Baisat. Doordarshan turned 62. But here's the question. They turned 62, but retirement age is 59. So they have a 3-year extension running at the moment, for whatever reason. Okay, the Indian national broadcaster that began operation on September 15th, 1959, when Kunal Vijayekar was 35 years old, with a staff of just 10 to 15 people, this is true, and with a small transmitter in a non-air-conditioned one-room makeshift studio in Delhi's Akashvani Bhavan, this month completed 62 years, and I'm told there's no change. एक खिड़की खुला है. Now you get fresh air. Fresh air comes during December to March. Doordarshan has stood the test of time, battling hundreds of new satellite channels, but have stuck to their core motto, the 3 C's: consistency, continuity, and complacency. We have exclusive footage of Doordarshan then and Doordarshan now, also Doordarshan between then and now. Don't ask me why. Here it is, Doordarshan News when it all started.
Namaskar. This is Doordarshan News. Today, our great leader Jawaharlal Nehru's daughter, Srimati Indira Gandhi, started her tour of Punjab. She travelled from Delhi to Amritsar by the Punjab Mail.
And that lady, let me tell you, was Miss 1959 India, Miss India 1959. Apparently not too many people took part in 1959. Yes, those were the days of black and white television. serious looking newscasters and flies. And of course, sorry for the break. Let's now have a look at Doordarshan 50 years later. So that's about 12 years ago. Let's take a look.
Young? Namaskar. This is Doordarshan News. Today, our great leader Sonia Gandhi started his tour of Rahul Gandhi. Today our great leader Sonia Gandhi's son Rahul Gandhi started his tour of Punjab. He travelled from Delhi to Amritsar by Is this live? Go to break.
Look, that is not the same broadcaster. That is not even the daughter of the same broadcaster. That is the granddaughter of the same broadcaster. She was already an adult working in a bank when Doordarshan started. So you can do the maths. But now, let's move on. This year, India's public service broadcasters turned 62 years. Let's have a look.
Namaskar. This is Doordarshan News. Today, our great leader Modi ji left for a trip to the United States, while Sonia Gandhi's son Shri Rahul Gandhi went missing. He was finally spotted on a plane heading to Thailand and Singapore, where he has gone to get his annual massage and to do some...
We Googled this lady. We couldn't find out who she was, but I can tell you this. She's not Priyanka Chopra. That's very clear. What we can tell you is the flies have been the same. For 62 years, it's the same flies. No fly has changed because it's a government job. The flies stay forever.
मला कुठलाही कलरचं एक पॉकेट स्क्वेअर आण ना.
Pocket square. You must stay awake.
रेड ब्लू पर्पल काही.
What's going on here, guys?
Very good, thank you, Sangeeta. No, it was a mistake. For this, I have done half an hour of makeup.
Exactly.